Hi students, today we are going to discuss about digestive system or digestive tract. So digestive tract, digestive tract opens into mouth and ends with the anus. Ends with the anus. So first start opens into mouth and end final anus. Anus. So, my dear students, so in this digestive tract or alimentary canal, so the mouth starts lips and lips opens into oral cavity. So the mouth opens into oral cavity, oral cavity or buccal cavity or buccal cavity, buccal cavity. So oral cavity or buccal cavity, these buccal cavity presents in the a upper jaw presents a hard upper jaw present. This is palate. So this is the anterior part palate and a soft muscular structure that is uvula, that is called uvula. దీన్నే మనం కొండనాలుగా అంటాం. This uvula opens into a non-keratinous squamous epithelium is made up of a leaf-like structure that is called epiglottis. Epiglottis, it is a opens and close, opens into close. It is indirectly opens into trachea, trachea. So epiglottis and finally glottis. These apparatus presents in the pharynx. These pharynx opens into a pipe-like structure is known as esophagus. So the esophagus, there is no digestive enzymes. This esophagus opens into a J-shaped structure, and a sac-like structure is known as called stomach. This stomach has consist of 3 parts. So what are they? We'll discuss. So and this anterior part is called. We know this anterior part. Stomach presents fundic and middle part is fundic, cardiac, and ends the end part is pyloric. So the stomach region consists of 3 parts: fundic region, cardiac region, and pyloric region. The pyloric region opens into a C-shaped or S-shaped structure is known as called duodenum. This duodenum, a junction of the two parts, that is a leaf-like structure that is called pancreas. This pancreas, a left portion of the bile-ductal gland present, that is called liver. These regions we know this called pancreohepatic duct. It is called pancreohepatic duct region presents pancreas and liver. It is opens into duodenum. This duodenum in this region, we know this This is a C-shaped like structure, that is duodenum. Duodenum. This duodenum enters into jejunum. That is called jejunum. Duodenum, jejunum, and a very coil-like structure is called ileum. So ileum. So this is a duodenum, and jejunum, and finally ileum. So these three parts we known as called small intestine. Small intestine. Small intestine. So duodenum, jejunum, ileum has consisted small intestine. So this is the small intestine. The small intestine opens into a large intestine. The large intestine path is called CK. It is also called vestigial organ or appendicitis or appendix. It is opens or removable surgical method, that is appendicite operation. It is removed for the vestigial organ. And next it is open into large intestine. It is open into large intestine. These large intestine consist of three regions. So in these three regions, large intestine opens into three regions. This regions is called, it is a ascending. So the food passing through the ascending colon. The food transverse. This is called transverse colon, and the food is a descending. So that is called descending colon. So descending colon, you know this descending, ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. These descending colon opens into rectum and final anus. So in this region, the food is a ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. The descending colon opens into rectum and final anus or anal canal. So it is a defecation. The food, digested food, defecation from small intestine to large intestine to finally anus. So this is the digestive tract or alimentary canal and digestive tract. So this is the structure of digestive system. So once again check the mouth, the enters into mouth, the mouth opens into buccal cavity or oral cavity. This oral cavity opens into pharynx. The pharynx open to a pipe-like structures that is called esophagus. The esophagus leads to stomach. The stomach is a sac-like structures, and a leaf-like structure is pancreas, and bilobal structure is liver, and it is opens into small intestine and finally opens into large intestine. So this is the diagram of digestive system.